I believe we were just looking at the region card that I wanted to change up, and we'll actually get into that next time. This time, I wanted to continue with the server status. I want to specifically get these stats to match this design, if you will. And then I believe we need to start in the templates. We're going to have to get these values here in the templates from the functions that we'll have to make sure they return a dictionary. Let everybody in. Yep. All right. Again, yeah, we're going to have to turn all of these, like I said, into a dictionary. So it'll return here in the stats. And we will, again, adjust the HTML to look like this. Where we got two columns on the left and right, and the center column split in the middle. First things first, we need to set up the environment. So I'm going to go ahead and get the app running. VS Code. No, I'm actually going to try not to use PowerShell. I'm going to try to stay in VS Code. Module name bcrypt. So yeah, let me do the git pull. All right. Get started. Adding my artifact. Oh, yep, because I have it open. Add us now. Sweet. Yeah, add again. Okay. We're going to get committed artifact folder. Seriously. Mm-hmm. Is that good or bad? What happened? Yeah. Okay. I'm a bit confused on that one. Thanks. Yes. Why did it do that? Interesting. Hit push. Hit pull. Make sure we're good. Huh? All should be well in the world. Come on. Sweet. All right. Oh, no bcrypt. Do you have this in requirements.txt?
Yes, it should be in the requirements.
Sweet. Wrong.
Why is there a head in
Yeah.
Oh, it's wanting to accept or deny changes. Why didn't it deconflict?
We got a all good in the beginning. I mean, yes. Why didn't it deconflict?
What does your requirements.txt file look like?
I don't know why I keep doing that. Sorry. It's wait. Go back here. Here. Requirement. Down there.
Oh, sure enough, it didn't deconflict.
Accept both changes?
Sure.
Yeah. Okay. Save. Yeah, no say. Gonna go back to get add. Yeah. Oh no. Definitely change something. Okay. Hit push. It's gonna bark. Okay. Hit pull. All is well in the world now.
Yeah, that was weird. I don't know why I did that.
All right. So let's go back to pip. I wonder if that matters. Let's go run our app. I've been learning. Just fail. Oh no, it didn't do bcrypt.
Yeah, so as soon as it hits the first one that it can't do, it just stops. So it stopped its sub process. And I don't know why. Sub process is definitely a module.
Let's see. Oh, maybe I did pip 3, right? Not according to
yeah.
Well, what do we have a version?
No, there wasn't a version. It was just the latest.
Oh, and you can't do search anymore. Pip search doesn't work anymore. You actually got to go to PyPy. Yeah, not found. Not found. Right?
Is subprocess the module?
Yeah. How to install subprocess? It's built in. You don't have to install it.
So there's no need for it to be there.
Who
did that? It might have been me.
Yeah, I was going to say, I literally was going to say that. Who did that? That's hilarious. Okay, cool. It's all good, brother. All right, let's go here. And now what we do, get out of here. Well, we might as well do our get stuff, hey. Now this get commit we do know. Gotta do that. Well, I guess we don't know yet, right?
I mean, that should be the only one. Looking at it, I know for 100% that the rest of them I had to pip install that. So.
Well, that's weird that it worked on yours though, because you literally just did it before this. Hey, why?
Yeah.
What am I doing wrong?
I don't know.
Git commit -m, and why is it?
Yeah, I don't know why yours goes into the Python.
Well, yeah, it's like this. Like my terminal's killing it for some reason. You know what? Okay, let it ask me for what? Why? This is so weird. Whatever. Oh, I love that.
There we go.
Yeah, whatever. it's always the setting up environment part. I always like schedule. Oh, that's only gonna be like 5 minutes. Nope. Oh,
Always something with
I
Git,
did
man.
it backwards.
Always.
Yeah, I did it backwards. I should have did. Well, whatever. Doozy doozies. All right, now let's go. Nope. Pip, not Python. Install -r requirements. All right, we're doing good stuff now. Sweet. All right, now Python. Yeah. Awesome. There, refresh. Yeah. Close my terminal. Sandbox. Thought there was a way you could do a refresh. Yeah, here we go. Maybe that doesn't work. Whatever. I'm not worried because as we found out last time, these imports do work. All right. So let's start off with back to the diagram. Oh my goodness. I thought it was one of these. It's always on these sandboxes. But which one? All right, artifacts. And yeah, and if you saw anything that need to go into artifacts, please put that in there.
Can do.
Not worried about that. All righty. So, so we're going to be doing the system stats. Obviously, we're just going to try to format this first, make these columns and rows. Then we're going to try to put the data from the PyScript back in there after we refactor all these codes to return a dictionary.
Yeah, because they're just returning in the
terminal right now. Yeah.
Yeah.
And the
Real quick, I did take the app out of debug mode to debug an issue. So if you need it to run in debug mode, you'll have to switch that back to true.
Thank you. Alrighty, so now let's see what our template renders currently. 1,000 good. All right, here we go. Internal. That's interesting. Oh, is it because I have to log in now?
That page shouldn't require a login. So like if you click regions, it'll tell you that you need to log in, right?
Okay. Server stats doesn't have one?
I think it's because it's making functional calls that aren't being returned. Like
Oh wait, in our app right now, you mean?
Yeah, it's
Oh, I
it's
thought
making it's making the call to the vCenter. Is it not?
Now I'm about to punch myself.
Yeah.
I can't do any of this, can I? I'm not home. I'm home. Oh my God.
That means that we can't.
Fail.
That means we can't do it without a vCenter.
That is
I think
correct.
it's been a vCenter.
Well, that's the thing. Like, yeah, we can't do this part without being there.
Do we not have like an open VPN on the vCenter at all? Like a VM?
Oh no. We can make it happen. That's not the issue.
Oh, okay.
I'm punching myself that I haven't made it happen. Like literally right now, I'm like, man. Because remember, I kept saying, I said, "Oh yeah, we could open up remote support, but you know how it is. It's tricky with what we allow through, and we just need to make sure it's secure. That's it. Anyway.
Yeah.
Yes. So, well, doggone. That was a fail. Interesting.
We should still be able to format it if we we just
Yeah.
punch out those calls, comment them out real fast, save it,
For
and
for the rendering part
yeah,
to get all of this.
yeah, no, the
Oh,
calls and
wait,
like
here in
the
that.
Git platform data.
Yeah.
We just won't make this call anymore.
Oh, just do pass.
Well, you're gonna have to return the HTML, aren't you? Because now you're not. If you did a pass, like I don't think it'll load. You'd have to return the stats.html.
The
Yeah,
render, right?
yeah, the
Yeah.
render template.
I could just copy one that's in there. That did the line. It did. Sweet. Control C, Control V, and then yeah, get rid of that indentation. And that's the stats. Oh, but I will need to yeah, you're right. I'm gonna just say data equals data here. And you're right, let's code up something. Uh, data equals, and that'll be whatever function that we can pull in. Well, we don't need this. Sorry, we don't need this. Let's just get the regular system stats one.
Yeah, because you were using PSUtil before, right?
Yeah, here it is. That's what I'm
Okay,
saying.
cool.
We just switch it up. To your point, we can't do this, but to your point, and I like that. Thank you. Good pivot. We can still format the page with uh, data that we can pull locally from my from my little lonely laptop.
Yeah, and
All
then we
right.
can at least see how the data is supposed to look, and
Well,
then we can match it up for later.
and I actually do plan on coming there. What I was actually going to do, because here quit here at noon, maybe a little bit before now that we ran into this little snafu, and then come there, and I can just start another one of these, and then we can just pick up where we left off. But again, don't you worry about that. I actually think I'm going to do that no matter what. So don't worry about that. All right, moving on. Let's get this working because then that'll make that second part less painful. Okay. So here in app is where we now need to code up. I just want to put it. So I'm going back and forth between there and system stats. Yeah. So here's where I need to pull. And then on the side. So let me put app right there. Sorry, my brain's just trying to get orientated, if that's even a word. Anyway, yeah, because I can pull functions here. Bam, pop them here. And then we'll do the statements here. Yeah. This is actually already the pull stats, hey? So on my brain, let's just go data's data, but then I already got stats equals stats. Oh, yeah. We just pull it from a different file up here. Oh, it's the same function, so I don't even have to rewrite this. Sweet. I don't have to do any of this. Mo better. All right. Control. Yes. All we have to do is just call this file the get system stats file instead of the performance data one. Matter of fact, I actually think it's still in there. Yep. Get system stats file. So this is what we were about to switch up anyway. So quote unquote, it's actually, wait a minute, that's kind of weird though. It should be working. Never mind. Nope. Sorry. I remember now we overloaded this path. What that? All right, whatever. Ignore that. Save. This should be pulling control. Stats. We're at line 221. Sorry, just making sure we're good. We call stats. Oh, I don't have to do the render template in the app. Oh, yeah, right. I didn't. Sweet. Yeah, because I did it here, like I did it in the other one. Like, well, I'm sorry, the way I was going to do it in the other one. Sweet. So this should be good to go. All right. Make sure everything's saved. Go back to my terminal. I'm looking. It says we've got a 500 error.
Yeah. So without the debug on, yeah, you'll have to cancel out and then start it back up.
Oh yeah, it's all good. Yeah.
I learned that one the hard way. I was like, why is this not refreshing? And
Oh
like,
yeah. Well, when it didn't do,
turn
yeah,
debug off.
exactly. No, thank you. Yeah, because I'm like, oh, wait, it's not working. Let's go. To your point, restart. All right, I might have to get rid of this part here. There we go. I love it. All right, WTF? Man, we got to turn debug on.
Yeah, I need to figure out what exactly it's doing.
Oh, good.
Not a server overload, that's for sure.
I've learned these days, don't be too quick. Wait and see. Get system proc. Oh, yeah. I think I didn't finish building out this dictionary. Awesome. So sweet. We do have some work to do. All right. What it's saying here in this proc name, it said, you saw it said expected one, got two. And I think I just need dot values here. Getting the dictionary, did the update. It said it got the two, is expected one. And I'm thinking it got key value, right? And I'm only passing in the value. I think I want both. That's why I did that. Yeah. So maybe it's how I'm calling it in here? Prop. Let's go read the error message again. In line 70 and get sys prop. Right. System fat. Okay. And get system and stats. Get system stats. Oh, maybe it's dot values here. Maybe. Rolling the dice. Let's see. Stats update. Oh, update. Got it. I see. I messed up on my dictionary. Sorry. Again, when you don't read, that's the problem. I need to go process name here. Do I need to put it in quotes? Maybe. And then process ID here. Does update only take one? Is that what it's telling me? I can't update.
Yeah, it's saying that updated only accepts one variable
at a time, right? Like,
yeah.
If I'm doing process, do process name, process ID, process ID. That's stupid. Well, hold on. I did not test this, so that's not stupid. You're stupid. Okay. I'm shocked that we haven't gotten any, like, just hitting the webpage messages. Sorry. Keep doing that. I have to do this every single time. That's going to come in as strings. I don't want that.
Missing an S on your apps dot update.
Oh, thank you.
And then
yeah.
Apps is a dictionary, right?
Yeah.
Are those supposed to be passed into a dictionary with the curly brackets, or are they good in parentheses?
Oh, no. It's supposed to be like this, I think. Sorry. Thank you. Oh, my goodness, yo. Was
Getting there.
all right. Yeah. Oh, my God. Maybe that's why I couldn't pass update, right? Because I'm a nut. I don't know why I was thinking set when I said dictionary. Anyway, doesn't matter. Or tuple or whatever I was doing. It doesn't matter. Let's try now. Object is not scriptable. Process name. Again, I think I might have just messed it up, which is. And that's why I just messed it up. Wait, let's see. Is it not returning value? What is it returning? Is it returning anything?
Can you go back to your get system stats for a second? I think, and then your get sys proc. Are we there? Oh yeah, we're there. Is that return supposed to be inside the for loop? Is your return?
Yeah, no, it is.
Indentation?
It's in the for. It's in the for.
Okay, I was just making sure.
Yeah. It's in the for. I wonder if I could just get rid of this. I guess I want the ID first, right? And then process name. Or, yeah, return this. Get system.
I posted the apps.update in the chat here.
This file update.
No, the so in the chat in oh my God, Teams. Jesus, I'll get there this morning.
No worries, you good.
I'm working on it. So when you're passing it, right? It's stating that it's one set of data. So pass it in as one set of data, right?
Oh, I was passing it in wrong. I always thought it was because I see how this is set up. Yeah, got it.
Yeah, I'm taking a look at the actual thing now on my screen over here too. I think that should work, maybe.
Yeah. Well, yeah. Yours will
And
probably
then you
work.
should be able to return
Let's
apps.
let's make sure. Okay. So we got this, but yeah, you're right. Let's. So that's not working the way we want it, but you're right. Let's. I'm gonna do yours. Let's do enter tab control V. So return it like this. Is that what you're saying?
Well, you should be able to. So that apps dot update, it would go up there, and then you would return apps
Ah,
as you were trying to do it earlier. You would return apps, and
I
then
see.
you would pass in apps.update for that processor name and process ID.
Cool.
Oh, hey, you need to set apps outside of the for loop, right? Because it's gonna every time it hits through this for proc, it's gonna delete everything inside of apps.
Why is it gonna delete? It should update,
Because you're
right?
setting apps equal to an empty dictionary every time, and then you're updating that empty dictionary with the process name and process ID. Right. So wouldn't that go above the for loop?
Let's
Like
try
you would.
both. Let's try
You,
both.
okay.
You mean like that, right?
Okay. Yeah. So the return apps would be outside of the for
That is
loop.
outside the four.
Yeah. And then the apps equals the open and close curly braces would be on top of the for loop. That way, so you're not.
Oh, I
You
see
see what
what
I'm
you mean.
saying?
Yeah,
So like
yeah,
it's
yeah,
setting
yeah, yeah.
it to an empty
Sorry.
dictionary
Yeah,
every time it
there we go.
iterates through.
Oh, then now I think we need to put this back then. I see. Yeah, yeah. But I see what you're saying. You're saying every time it goes to this for loop, it's gonna set it back to empty. Got it. Yeah.
Yeah.
See.
Yeah. That's what I was
Yeah,
saying.
yeah, yeah. Yep. That's interesting that it wasn't telling me that in the thing though. But no, no, no. Yes, you are correct. But we might have to move this in because I think we need a return because it won't move past this one update. That's what I'm thinking. Because it'll do the update, and then I don't know after it, because after the updates, I don't know if it knows how to, you know what I'm saying, go like apps, or I should say plus equals.
Well, I think the dot update is the same as like a pinned,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, but yeah, I think it's an interval. So let's
Okay.
just go ahead and run it. Let's.
I think it
We're
is.
all
I don't
about,
know.
we're
We're
all
about to find
about.
out.
Well, hey, no, no, no. We're all about this though. This is what we. This seriously. This is literally what this is for. We're all about this. Uh, what happened? Can I zero to a sequence? Okay. Oh yeah, yeah. So that return statement, maybe. So here, let's save it. Let's rerun it. Zero sequence. Wait, let's read line 70. Oh, cannot. Oh, I don't think it sees that. Oh, is it saying because this isn't set yet? Hmm.
What was that? What was that error?
That the can't update the sequence zero to a sequence. So the very first element, it can't make it a process name. I don't know if this is not returning a string You know what I'm saying? It's not returning something that it can make a key. There you go.
Ah,
It says string right here. Process ID, and that's an int. That's an int. I think you should be able to make a string and an int. Okay, let's Control C here. Let's go here. Control V. Process ID. Let's try this. Yeah, that's a string, and that's an int, right? Process int unbound. Okay, that's good. Well, maybe. Process name. Yeah, no, this is good. We'll see. Reference before assignment. Yeah, I kind of figured that. Yeah. Um, oh, maybe we need to slide that in here. Because it's saying that the references before assignment, you can't, you should be able to make an empty dictionary and then do an update, right? Is our
yeah, but
Python that bad?
if you slide it on the inside as it iterates the for loop, it'll overwrite your thing because you're setting apps equal to that string and then
Yeah,
that
yeah,
process
yeah.
ID.
For loop update dictionary. Python. I love you, Google. Yep. Oh, maybe we don't have that. Because that's a string, and then that's oh, so maybe that's what I'm not doing right. Am I not passing in? And that's a string, and that's a list, and that's making a dictionary out of a string and a list. String, list. Okay, so maybe that's what I'm doing wrong. Maybe I need to go int here. Still, will that work? I'm about to do some Python magic. Okay. And I convert dictionary update 0 to a sequence. Yeah. Still got that same. Wait, did, did I just read this wrong? So I got to put it in a dictionary format. Oh, I don't see
Yeah,
update.
that's what I'm getting back to is that it's not in a
Update.
proper format.
Well, I'm thinking I need to do something like this.
Oh no, I see what it is. It's there's a comma and not a colon in the thing. What I sent you in that processor name comma colon process. It's supposed to be a colon, not a comma.
Oh,
It
yeah, I don't even know
was
how you're
passing
right. I
two
don't even know how I
variables
didn't
instead
get
of a
that. Look, because I
dictionary.
did it up here. No, I'm laughing because look, I literally did that up here. I'm like, how did I not get that? Oh, that is hilarious.
You should be able to set that to just an empty dictionary now. And
Yeah, sweet,
there we go.
sweet, sweet. All right. Okay,
Uh,
you're right. Let's write less code. Oh, killer. All right, we're good. And return here, or we need to return on the outside.
the return
Let's
should
test it.
be on the outside.
Let's
I
go.
thought.
Hey, now we know. Sweet. You be thinking right, bro. Here it is. That's
Cool.
exactly what we need. Awesome
Yeah,
sauce. Okay. Now we gotta, well,
because you don't want to return the value until you get all of the value, right? Until you get them all.
yeah, it's not like a generator. We want to just yield each single one. Yep. Awesome. Yeah, all, not just one. So we're good here.
I thought
Uh,
we want to return the top 10 or we were returning all of them?
uh, mm, let's do top 10.
Yeah, because now we'll need a count equals 0.
Well, what we no. We need another discriminatory, I should say, factor, right?
Well, the easiest way to do it would be like a while loop. While count is less than equal to 10, right? And then count plus equals 1.
Well, again, I think that while that will limit the number, that's not the. I don't think that it should be the
Oh yeah,
deter.
because it's just
Yeah,
getting all the processes.
exactly,
It's not doing like
exactly,
the top.
exactly, exactly. Like what's the process that's straining us the most, right? Like
Yeah.
we don't right, using the most memory, using the most hard disk, what have you, CPU. Anyway, so that's our adventure. Let's go.
All right.
So PSU till top. Yeah, I guess memory use it. Process. Let's just go usage because limiting process resources. Finding top. Here we go. Using CPU. Let's read. List of processes sorted by memory. Man, I love when somebody hooks it up already.
Yeah. Yeah, I do too.
This looks good. Where is his count of? Because I want to go more than 5. I guess I'm not seeing it. Sorry. Where he
Um
limits.
list
Right?
of
Is
it
that
should be in
right?
his list sorted objects. Yeah, it should be at the um yeah,
I, I,
he should have a sorted that sorted list that he's got there, that list of products. He should have that iterated with the top 10. So like if fucking something like this. Here's the oh, that's not gonna fucking format correctly. Hang on. Signal format this correctly.
oh, well, he's got this reverse true, but I guess what I don't see is like usually like if you want to limit how many can go in here, you put a number, right? That's what I'm saying. Maybe I'm reading this wrong.
Check your signal.
Oh, what was I pasting that in here? Hey.
Yeah. Yeah, that should do your reverse everything from the defining to the return. And then your top apps is printed out in the list, and you're only returning the 10.
And this should decorate this. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, we're good. I don't want to copy that again. I'm lazy, baby.
That's fine. Do you think
All right.
that
Uh,
should work?
yeah. I just need to do the render part. Hey, or am I doing that in app? Am I doing that here? Uh,
You're doing that in the main function for get system stats.
right.
Right there.
Ah, did I not highlight the right one? Oh, I'm a nut. I see what you did. You're good, buddy. All right. We good now?
I don't know. Are we?
Well, I didn't realize. So you just didn't return the same. That was it.
Yeah. I just returned the top apps instead of returning apps because apps is then parsed throughout a list.
It's all
And
good.
then yeah, and then we get the top 10, so it's just called top apps instead of apps.
It's all good.
Yeah. It didn't look like it mattered what the variable name was as long as I returned one.
Nah, nah. Again, it was more like you know how like you look for something, you think you're like, oh wait a minute, and then exactly what you say. Wait, that don't matter. Keep it moving. Keep it moving. All right. Sweet. So what we're missing is just the well, let's go back. Well, we can add it in there.
How was Chrome not number one?
Yeah. Right? What was number one? I wasn't even con host. OneNote, Word, and then Python, of course, code. That makes sense. But yeah, you're right. So is con host Teams? Which one is Teams? Oh, this OneNote team, eh? OneNote M.
I don't know.
I don't have OneNote open, do I? I don't even think I got OneNote. Anyway, let's go back.
It's got to be running somewhere.
We love it. Let's go 25. And I think we want values, hey. I think we don't we're only doing the keys.
Because the key is the process name. Do you want to return the process ID?
Oh, right. I want the how did I have it? The ID, yeah, name and ID.
I mean, we can return both. It don't matter. Or you can
Yeah.
return just the ID.
Well, I think that's how I have it here in stats as well. Email. No,
I just
that's
didn't
not.
know how much information the ID would give you.
Well, if you need to go kill it, you can do it by the ID.
Oh yeah, if you're on Linux. I was thinking Windows.
Yeah,
Just
yeah,
leave
because
it there.
this is gonna be for all correct. Yeah, this is gonna be for all hosts, right? We're just obviously just testing it on my box. But yeah, this is the one that's gonna go to all of them in this particular page. The, we'll have it by host name, and then we'll click on the host, and then it'll show this info. So
Yeah.
we still need this, right? It just so happens when it actually when it what it will actually look like, oh my goodness, will be just a list of hosts. And as I said, we'll click on it and then it'll come up with this. Cool. And then I'll get with you. Maybe we can do some indicators later. But anyway, let's continue on. So it looks like I'm just calling proc and not actual what you were saying. Get both. Keys, go values. Go values here. And let's see, did that work? Okay. Wait a minute.
That worked.
No. That worked, but I was wrong. It needs to be items. This.
Okay,
There we
yeah,
go.
so you're returning
Sorry.
it all.
Sorry. Yeah, I was like, huh? Like, that's not what I wanted. Sweet. This is exactly what I wanted. And of course, yeah, and as you spoke about before, we'll reformat. But this is when we actually click on the host. And that's why I wanted host name in there. I think I had host name in my other one. Anyway, but that's why I wanted that in there, right? So we could also put that as a label here, and then it would do the host name, and then this would be a card, a drill down card that would be in here, or I should say like a function, a macro, I should say, that when click. And that's the one thing I want to get good at, get putting the macros here in these Ginger templates. All right. So this definitely returned everything that we wanted. Let's see. I want to write let's just do a for loop. I want to see, yeah, if I can get it without the braces, all the syntax around it. Let's see. For rock, P and rock. There we go. P. Yeah. Let's end our for.
Man, or brave man.
Eh,
I learned
Hey,
last week.
hey, if you don't do, you won't do. Okay. I like it. I mean, I got to figure out the spacing because obviously it adds like a new line, new line. Yep.
Yeah, so what would happen if you did this and then that?
Wait, I apologize. Say that again.
So I sent two
Oh,
things in the thing
in chat or signal?
in chat.
Chat.
Sorry, it wasn't big block code. It was just 2 lines.
No, you good.
So I learned last week that it's a lot easier to format in Python than it is to format in HTML.
Oh, amen. Yeah. So wait, where do I put that in my get system stats?
Yeah, so inside your get system stats, you're gonna
Yeah.
right after the top apps equals, you're gonna do formatted apps equals new line, and you're gonna join it to the top apps, and then just return formatted apps.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, no, you're good.
Got it. Yeah. Cool.
Yeah, and then I'm hoping that that's going to
That should.
assist in your formatting on the page. I'm not updating my side, so
No. You're good. You're good.
I'm looking at
Hey.
code examples that I had pulled up earlier.
Well, and because we also might want to do a strip too. So I like no, I like that because that's probably to and well, I think you were gonna get on it anyway. But anyway, whatever. Let's go. Expected string tuple found. So let's
I'm
cast
sorry,
it.
what?
No, let's cast it. That's fine. That's fine. Expected string tuple. Wait, let's read. Formatted apps. I know I casted you.
Yeah, I don't understand how that's a tuple if you're just casting a new line for every.
Whatever. Man, I don't get it. Like, how did that not? Huh?
You have the parentheses on the outside, and if you're gonna cast
Ah,
formatted apps,
sorry.
there's a.
Yep. Thank you. Thank you.
There we go.
Yeah.
And then,
Oh, there's somebody join.
uh,
People waiting. There we go.
oh, oops.
All right, Brian. How long have you been waiting, Brian? Were you?
No, you. I just joined. I'm sorry.
Oh no. We had thought you had been waiting. No. That's good. Whew. And I'm glad. Thank you for joining. Yeah, again. Oh, I was telling Graham too. So we're probably going to quit here in an hour, and I was just going to take a break, but I'm gonna come back and try to do it in the afternoon because I'm at home right now, but I'm gonna end up going out there. And so anyway, I'm probably gonna kick out another session in the afternoon. So again, join whenever, not a requirement. Ask questions as we go through if you need to. All right. So let's see. Right now, what we're doing is quickly go over. We changed up the stats. We were able to just go here locally on my box because we realized that I'm not at work, so I can't return all the vCenter host information that we eventually need to return. So to test it, we're doing this right here. For some reason, I think
You may have to cast that after you declare it. So formatted apps equals, and then string formatted app.
For join. No. Here's what I was gonna do. Sorry. Here's what I was gonna do. And then formatted. Come on. Whoops. Okay. And then I think it's, isn't it? I thought it was that join here. Join. It's I think I can just go like this. I thought it was dot join and then whatever you wanted to join in here. There we go. And what was that? No, maybe. We'll see. Okay. Still don't see why we couldn't. Because yeah, we should be able to turn a list into a string.
Yeah, we can run that, but I'm not too terribly sure about it.
Yeah,
I
because
think what it's going to do is return your top
first
apps
one.
and then a new line at the end.
Yeah, I was thinking that too. I was thinking that is a new line. So wait a minute. How do we
Yeah, so
do we do strip and not join? Strip a new line? Return it with leading trailing line. Remove. Bam! Look, read the screen.
Oh.
It's all right. That's leading. Hey, what's trailing? What? How do you strip the end? Is it L strip or right strip? I think it's R strip, right?
Maybe.
Trailing. Bam. R strip. R strip to the rescue. All right. Let's see. And to your point, maybe. All right. But not what we wanted.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's exactly it.
We
Fucking bag
stripped
it up.
all right. Oh, it's stripped now, right?
It
All right.
it added a new line for every character. I didn't expect that.
Yeah, me neither. So maybe just our strip and nothing, right? Maybe don't specify. Nope.
No, no.
Same
Still
same Z. Same Z.
Oh, let me update mine.
Maybe it's just strip. No, same behavior. Let's try this now. Okay. I think we already tried this though, right? That one.
Oh, you returned
Wait, am I not doing the right thing?
what did you return? You didn't return values, you returned items.
Yeah.
I'm just mimicking on my end right now. Is why I was asking.
Oh, got it. I was like, yes.
Okay. Yeah, so when you return items is when I get the error for the tuple found.
Yeah, because it's only trying to do one, right? So it's
Yeah.
like I wonder if we could um uh wait, should we be getting K or V? Why are we doing oh sorted apps. Got it. Sorry.
Yeah, yeah. So key and value.
Man, yeah,
It,
I'm
it
not.
made
I'm
sense in
like,
my head at the time.
no. This does make sense. I just gotta read. I'm looking at here like, oh, why are we returning him? Like, no, we are, bro, right here. Sorry. All right. So you're right. So keys, right? And then this would be um oh, we need to go the other way around, right? ID needs to be the key, right? PID. Oh, process. Right? Am I right? It's
Uh,
this way, right? Not the other way. Hey.
yeah.
The ID should be the key, right? Yeah, I know. I'm sorry. I already know. I don't even know why I'm asking. All right, sweet. And then P and A equals exactly what you draw the draw the and and then this will be values, right? P I D P.
And that's in your stats, right? That's the
Did
no.
it?
No.
That's in my what? I apologize. Say it again.
Okay, I got it. Yeah.
Okay. Uh, okay. kind of what I wanted, but not really. Yeah.
You just need them matched up now, right?
Yeah. Maybe plus here. Maybe that's what I did wrong. My Python is terrible. Terrible. Ugh.
Yeah. No,
Ugh.
that's not it.
Yeah, that's not it. You don't share.
Yeah, I broke that.
Oh, when you try to do this?
Nah. I mean, yeah, I'm trying to do that, but trying to put it how you want it.
Yeah.
And I broke it.
You broke it. Oh, that's good. That means you're doing something. Same to you.
What if we just fucking copy what I did before? And
you mean when you said what you sent me here?
I'm sorry, I was just thinking out loud.
Oh. This is definitely giving us, so let's just.
How is your how's your HTML doing? Is it accepting?
Oh yeah, it could be the for statement. Yeah.
Yeah.
How I have
Yeah, so if you're not looking to grab the
oh,
PID and yeah, so
got
you
it.
need
Got it. PID P name. Got
yeah,
it.
and then you're gonna return next to it.
What do you mean
Well,
return?
it'd be two brackets, right? Turning one and then the other. I don't know if you can put them in. I have no
Oh,
idea.
oh, we're about to find out. We're about to find out, and I love it. But I see what you mean. Like the one would be here, one would be there. But yeah,
Yeah,
let's see.
they would be next to each other, but you would return PID and its own brackets and P name and its own brackets.
Love it.
And then you need to
Oh, but then I
return.
gotta go down here, hey, and then change this. Oh no, I don't. No,
No,
sorry.
you need to return.
ID first, right?
Well, you could just return sorted apps, and then you could from the sorted apps, or okay, yeah, you still.
No. Well, I think you're right. I mean, I think yes.
Okay,
And
yeah, I
then
see what. Okay, yeah, never mind. Yeah, that's right.
okay, yeah, but I think you're right as well. Like I could just return the sorted apps, and then
Well, it wouldn't be the sorted apps. It would
here,
be something that
here.
combined them both.
Well, here is doing that. I think here is doing that. Well, sorry. You're right. Let's go. Yes, errors. Block content for a PID, comma. Too
Yeah,
many
so it would just
values.
be just for one of them.
I was gonna say you also could do like a little.
Oh, a nested. That was about to say, Brian, nested for loop.
Well, I was just gonna say before you returned anything, you could just loop through those values and like like to put the list to make a new list that puts those values together, and then it just reads the one list instead of two. Like so you could say like
Yeah. Like this, right?
You would need formatted apps equals list, and then past that list.
That's no. Look, list.
Yeah, but I think that's gonna
List.
do them all in a row, like it did the first time, like all the IDs and then all the names. Like you'd have to loop through and say like for each ID, put the name next to it. Like I don't
Yeah.
know. Try that
So
and see if it
Oh,
goes.
wait. So you're saying make like a 4 PID?
what I'm saying is like it's already in a list, and then you broke it out of that list to separate it into its own things. You can just call the sorted apps dot
That's
items.
what. Yeah. And it's already a list. Is that what you're
Yeah,
saying?
yeah, and then
No,
just
it
return
says
the
the
top
dictionary.
25.
It says it's a dictionary.
But that's why you're going to cast it to a list like you're doing right up there.
Got it. Cool.
Check the chat real fast. Let's code. You would just call top apps formatted apps equals list sorted apps dot items.
But I thought that returned the dictionary when we looked over it.
That's why you're going to append it as a list, like just the exact same as you're doing above. But instead of breaking out by PID and getting your keys and P name and getting your values, you're just going to call the entire thing,
Yeah,
right?
this.
And call items. That way, so you're not iterating through it.
Correct. I'm doing that currently. Are you saying that? Are you saying what I'm doing currently?
Sort of. So so comment those out, and then your formatted apps equals list sorted apps dot keys, or not keys, but items, and then return the top 25.
So put items in here. I'm confused. Am I not getting that here?
You would need the
Says it's a dick already. And that shouldn't be. That should be
yeah,
a
you'd
list.
have to
Okay.
cast it to a
Whew.
list.
Oh no,
So
it's a list. It's passing in a dictionary. Sorry. No, we're good. No, we're good.
okay.
Wait. What I guess what I'm confused is, are you saying this is not passing in?
I'm saying that so your formatted apps is a dictionary, right? And then you're appending that
No, my
dictionary.
4 minute apps is a list.
Oh, it is a list. Okay, yeah.
Yeah, that's right. Right. That's why I
Yeah.
kept.
It's just okay. I see what you're doing now. It just took a
Well,
second. I was thinking curly brackets, and I was like, I don't understand why he's declaring formatted apps as a dictionary or what's going on here.
I like it. Well, no, that's why I hovered over them. See,
Yeah,
list,
you're doing the same thing
list.
that I said.
That's I. Well, I literally asked you that. I was like, "Yeah, am I doing the same thing?" And you're like, "Yeah." I'm like, all right,
Yeah, it's just. I
all
mean, it's
right.
more code, but
Well, I know. Well, okay, more code, but what's? I'm confused. Like, what are we doing here then? Like, are we not?
yeah, you
Is
could. I
this what we
mean,
do?
all of that could just be placed in one line. Is all I was saying.
Oh, by putting this around, by casting it as a list. Is that what you're saying? Like this? Just get rid of that.
Like,
Is that what you mean? I'm like, all right.
well, no. Like what I just sent, right? Because you
Oh,
can't do
man.
a formatted apps dot append. You need formatted
Yeah.
apps equals to declare the variable,
Oh, and then list. Sorry.
and then cast the sorted apps as a list.
Yeah. Sorry. I'm
Yeah.
listening now. I'm listening now. When you were saying the one above, I was totally mistaken by
Yeah. I put top apps in there because I just copied and pasted it out of my code. But if you just replace top apps with formatted apps,
no, right. Sorry,
then
not
it's
that
the same thing.
I was list out of pen, right? List dot and then I think we're missing a curly. Are we? Which
I
one?
don't even think you need the append. You're just setting it equal to because sorted apps is already done.
Oh, thank you. And minus a curly. Sweet.
Yep. And then your brackets for your top 25.
List. Sweet. Oh, thank you. Yeah.
That
Yeah,
or
well, oh,
something.
sorry. When I was saying earlier, I just wanted to be clear. When you said look up, I thought you were talking about this part. You were actually talking about this part.
Yeah. So you had it there, and like you were breaking it out of the list and then trying to reformat it into another. And I was like, we're already there though. Like
Mm,
you already have it. You just don't need to break them out. You can just keep the list.
all right.
Uh, your
Was it? Oh,
20
did I?
your 25 I think is yeah.
Yeah, I think you got extra brackets in there, and the
Yeah, your
parentheses might
25 has
be
to be on
after
the outside.
items.
Oops. I say not matching. And oh my God. Cool.
Should it look like the ones you have commented out?
Oh, wait a minute. Well, I think I'm casting a dictionary within. Here we go.
Should the 25
Remove
be on the outside of the parentheses?
yeah. You need to bring that far right parenthesis in right there. Yep, 100%.
All right. Sweet.
Look at that. Nice.
Now we're cooking. Still, we got to figure out how to strip all that crap off. Oh, I bet you we can do some ugly. Let's see. I just want to see something. Let's start from position 1 and then go all the way to the end. Let's just see if that string formatting is what I think it is. Nope. I created a whole new index.
Yeah, your best bet to strip that out would probably be in the Jinja template.
Oh, where?
Yeah, I don't know how to like other than counting, and they're not all going to be the same, right?
Right,
I'm
right, right,
not
right,
sure how
right.
to do that in Python.
Let's Google. Kill some of these windows. Yes. Strip, bracket.
I need to let my dogs out. I'll be back in just a little bit.
Oh, yeah. Oh, filter. Yeah, right. So I think it's a filter. Yeah, we don't want that.
I don't understand why Teams doesn't ever format this stuff correctly.
Yeah. Oh, you sent something over?
I'm sending something over in Signal.
Oh, in Signal. But
Yeah.
is this good or no? Don't worry about that. Yeah.
Yeah, don't worry about that. We got there.
Just replace all of this.
Sort of. You're still gonna need the PBs. I took those out on accident, but yeah, you get the idea.
Well, let's go like this and then go like this. And then what the hell?
Yeah, it never keeps it.
Uh, dab, 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 dab. Backwards. All right, whatever. Prepare and top apps.
That should theoretically add a hyphen in between each one. Oh, it's not gonna be top apps. It's gonna be I keep sending you stuff for mine, but yours is gonna be for pair and formatted apps.
Oh, in formatted apps, it won't be in. Got it.
Did you
I don't see
incorrectly
process. I don't see. Sorry, I don't see process though.
that
Oh,
set process?
sorry. Right here. I'm
Yeah,
blind.
set
I'm
process
blind.
comma pid equals pair, and then the process dash pid, and then int for. But did you incorrectly spell formatted on the other side as well? I just saw it. You're missing a T.
Wait, on the other side of this.
Yeah. So
Right.
when you declared formatted apps, You spelled it with one T over there, right? No.
No.
Okay, yeah. So you'll need to,
TTED.
yeah.
Got it.
You're missing a T in formatted.
Good.
I think so.
Get rid of this. Oh, at my end.
I don't know. I wouldn't trust that. You may have want to left it up there. This is all untested. You got too far ahead of me.
That's fine. It's not even, again, not working. It's still not working. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, yeah. Now it's not even returning.
It's not
Yep.
Not even
Yeah. We can take it back and you can do your other thing. Control Z.
Well, wait a minute, but let's try to figure something out though. What could we be best at?
I'm not sure why it didn't display any. So
anything, right?
In formatted apps, which it's pulling from get system stats.
I don't think it is though. I think it's pulling proc.
Is it pulling proc?
Yeah. It's not pulling formatted apps. Formatted apps is on the get sys proc. Get sys proc is proc.
How's it pulling? Okay, for pair in.
Yeah, but here's where get system proc
so
is a formatted app.
Yeah, and then you're returning proc. But proc is getting formatted apps.
Correct.
Okay, so it's going to be for
proc.
For proc, or for pair.
No, for pair and proc. Yep.
Okay, yeah, that makes way more sense now.
Yep, we're good.
Maybe.
That's woo woo.
All right, but it didn't add a new line.
Well, yeah, but that's fine. That to me. That's just like one change.
Yeah,
right?
So we just need to add the break
after.
So yeah, so at the process dash PID. No, you need to add the B in the carrots.
Huh? Okay.
Go to chat in the carrots, man. That thing. On either side. The less than, greater than.
Oh, got it. The
the
tag
to add a new line every time.
tags. Got it.
Hey man, I just started coding 3 days ago.
Like, leave me alone.
You're gonna have to decipher some of my words. I don't know all the terminology. I know what needs to go there though.
I got you. P and then a B, right?
I think your paragraph is what's throwing off your spacing. I think if you just add a
P
or just add a B.
I'm with you. Let's do that. I'm with you. My hotkeys aren't with you. All right. Okay. All right.
So why is it not adding a break for each one?
Well, I think no, B is bold. Sorry. My bad. Sorry, B is bold. Or is that what you thought I was putting in the break?
I thought that was break.
No, B is bold. See?
Okay. See, where's the break? New line.
I don't know. Break line. I think it's BR.
BR for break.
Well,
that's I knew what I wanted.
Yeah.
Hey. I didn't know the tag.
Hey, all I know is I was like, yeah. B, bold. All right. Well, it's still, I mean, that's what we want. It's still that. Yeah. Anyway. That might be the card layout too, hey? I have to read it more on Ginger. That might be the card layout. I mean, because everything is spaced out, right? You know what I'm saying? Interesting. Anyway,
Yeah, it is, but I think that has to do what would you does the div tag work better out of curiosity?
wait. Adding, subtracting. What are you
If
replacing?
you put that in its own div, right?
Right here.
Each one.
Wait. Each one or just this one?
Just that one. But it would place
Okay.
each item in its own div essentially as it processed through the for loop.
Oh, got it. You're saying do you think that, got it. I see what you're saying.
Yeah, man, not a dev. You got to decode what I'm saying.
No. It's right. It's not even the dev part. I was thinking it was like, no, what
Little
are you
better.
saying?
Little better. I
Yeah,
saw it shrink.
I definitely saw it shrink. Definitely. Oh, maybe it's line height. Maybe it's line height here in the shucks. Line height. CSS, maybe? I don't know. Is that a thing? Would that be Ginger or would that be Bootstrap?
That's gonna be your CSS
How to
more than
deal with
likely.
spacing. Uh-oh. We're about to get a tutorial. How to deal with spacing. Gosh darn. Look at this.
Oh, what the fuck
It's
is that?
hilarious. They doing some great stuff. Wait a minute, but theirs is turning out. Hold on, they got different spacing in between, but they don't have like new lines. Or I should say I don't see one. Or maybe we should be looking at this example because none of these have new lines. Hold on. Results. Maybe this. Maybe that prevents a new line. These spans on multiple lines. I'm gonna try it. Hey, look at
Yeah,
it. Did it do for all? It did it just for what though?
the if and the end if.
And the if and the for, right? It was a for, right? No?
I didn't see a 4.
Yeah.
Yeah, they didn't do it. That's not.
In the template, yeah. You're right, in the template.
Yeah.
So maybe we should do an if in the template?
I think you already have an if in the template, right?
No. We got a for loop.
Uh,
And I'm thinking if.
I don't know if you could do an if in the template.
I think maybe if that, well, we'll try. I think if
You kind of need
does.
a 4.
Well, I think if means like if there's a value. You know what I'm saying? I think if and while work the same in this context. But anyway, doesn't matter. Let's try.
Okay.
Wait, what was the one thing we were going to do before the if though? Oh, the that.
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't think I'm doing it. It was just something I saw. And nothing. Good, bad, or ugly. Sweet. All right, let's go. If. So I just want to say if.
Did you get the formatting fixed?
No. We're still working on that. Graham definitely hooked it up. Is like we probably need some tags. We're probably going to need some kind of HTML magic going on. But yeah, we've been going through. Where am I? Come on, Ron. We've been going through multiple trials and errors. Like we don't need that. No, sir. I don't want that to mess us up. If
Oh, it looks like you got some of it changed. Like it didn't have the single quotes anymore. Unless I was looking at the wrong thing.
No, you're looking at the right thing. We don't have the quotes or the parentheses anymore. It's all divided out by a hyphen.
Yeah.
Okay.
We don't have. Well, if I call proc here, right? PROC. Trying to remember what we had before.
You could do like an if proc not equal to 0, and then embed the for loop in it.
Yeah, where'd you see that at? Because
I didn't see that anywhere. I was just thinking out loud.
oh, I like that though. Because that's
I don't know if it'll work.
If, because that's what I was saying. If, you know what I'm saying? Like if there is, then do be and if. See. When the optional gender clause is false. Okay, that's a middle line. So maybe we do just need a join. Not the good there, but just a join in here. Is join a yeah, a join? No, that's a string. Strings have dot joins. Maybe a tuple will always give us a new line. That's tuple, not a list. A list of tuples, sorry. Not a list of strings.
What if
Go ahead.
what if we declared a process class in the CSS and just changed the margin and padding in there?
Help me out. Where static?
Yeah, it's gonna be static main CSS. No, don't expand that one. You don't want to do that. It's just underneath the static. Yep.
All right. So do one for what? Are we going to make one up?
Yeah. So if we do like dot process,
Yeah.
and then we did margin 0.
That's it.
Well, you need to do padding 0 too, just to be sure.
Okay. Yeah.
Where's the style? Is there no style?
Well, I
Usually
think we'll just
there's a
add
style tag, I
that
thought.
tag. We'll add that tag with the. If we add it with a div, then it's got a 10 padding, right? So I
Yeah.
think when we just add just a process tag, it'll have a 0.
That was the name of your thing, right?
What thing?
The name of your class in the stats.html.
Wait a minute. I haven't. It will be when I create it. Is that what you mean?
Okay, yeah.
I was like, no, but I was saying this div is giving it padding.
Yeah, I didn't think that div added that much padding. Look, I found a dark theme and I copied and pasted, okay?
What do we name it? What do we name it? Process?
Yeah, you'll have to call the class.
Is that gonna work? What's that?
I don't think so, but we'll find out.
How does?
I think you got to have like a like P there.
Like,
Yeah. To make it a paragraph.
for some
And then
reason, I
set the
thought you.
class of
But
that
how you
paragraph.
do your own? But how you do your own custom tags? Cause I thought that's how you did it. Well, we're about to find out.
No.
Oh, that put more space in there. Hey.
Yeah, because it inherited the actual paragraph, even though we called.
Oh, that's yeah.
Well, it should have inherited from the class process. That's why I was asking about the style. Let me take a look
Let's do this. Just
in this
shits and
static
giggles.
fest.
Shits and giggles. Boom. Well, no. Yes.
No. There's no break. There's no new line. That's why it's not.
Well, I guess what I'm trying to say is right. Um, wait, is that no different than what we already had before? Is that what you're trying to say?
Yeah, I don't think it's any different from
Yeah.
what
I got it. I was
had
like,
before
huh.
because there's no break.
Oh, so now put a BR. Is that what you're also saying?
Yeah.
Oh well, maybe breaks define with
Yep.
this much padding too. You know what I'm saying? So we need a new BR function. Wait a minute.
Um.
How do you even do CSS like that? Hold on.
Yeah, because it should be classes process and PID.
That's the names. Yeah. Yeah. Double hyphen. Got it. Oh, but this is a custom property. We want a custom name. We don't care about, yeah, we don't care about a custom variable because we're going to use those.
Yeah, I mean, I kind of wanted
Oh,
to.
wait. Oh, yeah, yeah. Here it goes. That 1, 2, 3. Sweet. So that's right. And then you go here, class, div class. Oh, it's supposed to be div class, not P. Oh, I should have remembered that from my HTML days. Back in the
Yeah,
days.
I haven't done
Back,
HTML for like
dude,
years.
I remember it's a div that you want, not the parent. Come on, Ron. Here we go. That's supposed to be div. Yeah, let's get rid of this break. Let's get rid of that. BIB. All right. Let's see.
All right, div class
Love,
process.
love, love, no love, love. Oh,
There it
love,
goes.
baby. Love, baby. Yes.
Nice.
Nice, nice. All right. Whew, that was easy.
Disaster averted.
And think about it. This is just going to be, one car and one host, right? There's going to be a list of these. Oh, then we'll click on them and they'll pop this nice little list out. All right. So, yeah. Graham wins again with the custom. That's the way to go. Margin pattern, obviously, that's what was getting us. Makes sense. Coats. Sweet, and we learned something new, or I should say, I relearned something that I should have remembered. But that's why we have Google. All right, fellas, you know what? I'm gonna wrap it up here, but be on the lookout for the next one, or maybe not. And we definitely have Monday off, so everyone have a great weekend. But again, like I said, I'm gonna wrap it up here with the win. Go ahead and save. Do I need to do push pull? How you, Graham?
Yeah, go ahead and do that. I'll just accept all of your changes because I was trying to follow along here a little bit.
No worries.
But
Just want to make sure this goes down. Sweet. All right. So now I'm gonna open up Python. The document. Yeah. Add. Ooh. Oh. Always fail. Get commit. What do we fix? The status. Template. Then get push. Probably should have did a pull before, but rolling the dice.
ain't nobody did anything.
Hello. Okay. Sweet. So all is well in the world. Let's just real quick. Sweet.